going to hide the digital channels, and now we are going to have a look at the DMX output. I have connected an RGB lamp to the DMX universe. I know channel 2 is the red color, and I know channel 3 is the green color, and I know that channel blue is the channel 4 is the blue color. So, and if I now adjust the red value, you see that the light in the back becomes red, and I have green. It becomes green, and for blue it becomes blue. So for our show we are going to make it, for example, go up and down a bit, and same for a little bit different. For of course we could also add a MIDI or keyboard recorder for the light, but this should only demonstrate that live editing and playback is possible. So when I start this now, we see the light changes its colors, becomes blue, white, green. The LEDs are turned on and off. So, and this is our, for example, could be our light show. We could add an audio to this show. And to load the audio, we have to load the audio resource for us first. Not on the external data, it's internal. For example, we have the audio of the intro here, of the tutorial intro. So, and now let's say we want to export the complete show to a flashcard, because all we're doing right now is live. So the computer plays the audio and sends out control information to control 1 to turn on lights and to control lights and mix. Okay, so this is our show, and we want to export this to a flashcard for standalone operation. So we have to save it first. We save it here as control 1 HFX. Then we show the export to flash drive dialog, and here we have the possibility to add HFX files. So we can add several HFX files. We can choose to convert the audio. We can choose to auto start the show when the control 1 is powered on. We can choose the run mode. Please look into the manual for the difference. And we could also set up start conditions. For example, we could start this show on remote input with digital input, closing, opening or toggling. We can start it on time, and we can start it with some basic logic functions. For this now I'm going to auto start it, and if we have multiple HFX files here, it it makes sense to save this as a project where you can always export a new version with all the HFX files to one and the same flashcard. So, but we only have one file here, so it's easy to export. We don't need a project here, and we choose drive E to export because E is our flash drive, and we simply press that, and exporting finished. And if you have a look on our removable bit disk, we now have a control ini. In the control ini there is the logics written, what track to start for what condition or on what condition. We have the audio file here, and we have the show file here. So, and if I take this flash card and put it into the Control 1 box, I'm going to do this right now. It's in, and the show immediately starts playing. So we see the DMX show, we see the digital outputs blinking, and if we would have a loudspeaker connected, we would hear the sound also. Basically, this is how BSM Show Control and Control 1 works together.